Salut les abos, aujourd'hui on se retrouve dans une nouvelle vidéo. Dans la description, si vous êtes allé à la voir, normalement il y avait marqué que je ferais des reacts et surtout du jeu vidéo. Du coup on va faire la première react de la chaîne et ce sera du dernier squad talk de Squad Buster. Je vais react, donc bah go hein. Je l'ai déjà vu aussi. Il y a Paula qui revient.
Hey, where have you been? Where did you even come from? Anyway, are you ready for the squad up?
Yes, I brought everything we need to explain to the players.
Elle a
So we have
apporté tous
heroes, we have
les
traits,
nouveaux
all the
trucs.
characters have changed in some way. Then we have turbos, then we have, you know, this, how...
What if we start from the
Il
very
demande de reprendre
beginning?
tout au début.
Oh, good idea.
Squad Busters is all about building your ultimate squad, busting enemies, gathering loot, and winning matches.
Bon, déjà là on a le nouveau roi des barbares qui va, enfin les 4 persos qui ont été éliminés vont revenir mais en mode méga puissant.
By collecting gems and surviving until the end.
And it all starts with...
Donc on va devoir choisir entre les deux là, entre le barbare et l'archère. Pour les deux autres, du coup Mortis et le roi royal. Le roi royal, du coup normalement... Attendez.
Picking your first hero, which is the leader of your squad. Heroes have a unique power that you can aim and trigger during battles,
Ils ont des super
giving
powers
each one a different playstyle.
Barbarian King is great in close combat. His power move Mega Punch charges forward and knocks enemies out of the way.
If you're more of a sharpshooter, go for Archer Queen. Her arrows deal damage, knock back foes, and even split into 3 smaller arrows.
In addition to powers, all heroes have passive abilities called traits. Powers need to be triggered and have
du coup, ils ont
cooldowns,
des
but
niveaux.
traits are always on, boosting your squad all match long.
All heroes also have a turbo boost that makes your squad sprint faster, and some, like Mortis, have unique dashes instead. You can level up powers, traits, and turbo in the hero journey, using hero points that you mainly earn through daily quests.
Each hero has their own hero journey, where you can also unlock skins,
Pour les
emotes,
améliorer
and new
avec des
squaddies.
trucs.
Squaddies are the characters that join your hero in battle. Just like heroes, they all have a passive trait, and as you level them up, they will unlock powers you can equip to your heroes and activate during matches.
Leveling up squaddies happens through evolution. They start as babies, and by collecting more of the same squaddie, you can merge them and evolve them into classic, super, ultra, and eventually ultimate.
Squaddie powers and traits will become stronger as you continue evolving your squaddies. Also, both heroes and squaddies attack automatically while you move, but if you stop, they will attack even faster.
Before starting a match, you'll pick your hero, equip 2...
Attends. Là, du coup, on aura les 4 persos qui ont été éliminés. Donc, l'archère, Mortis, Royal et le barbare.
You'll pick your hero, equip 2 powers, and choose your starting squaddies. These 2 squaddies start with your hero and will be automatically added to your match lineup.
Starting squaddies are also offered more often by chests during battle. So if one of your starting squaddies gets busted, open a chest to get them back right away. Each squaddie that joins your squad will make it stronger and bring in a new trait.
Heroes and squaddies also belong to different types: fighter, hotshot, supplier, summoner, and speedster.
Some heroes even boost certain squaddie types, so don't be afraid to experiment. Different combinations might work better depending on the game mode you are playing.
Now let's talk about how to unlock heroes and squaddies.
Là, ils vont expliquer comment débloquer les héros. Donc là, ça va être une partie importante.
We're releasing 4 heroes in this update: Archer Queen, Barbarian King, Mortis, and Royal King.
You can use coins.
Voilà. Par exemple, au tout premier truc, vous pourriez du coup acheter, vous aurez un des héros gratuitement entre la reine des archères et le roi des barbares. Et du coup, celui-là que vous choisirez, par exemple, moi si je choisis le roi des barbares, je pourrais acheter la reine des archères en pièces et lui aussi. Et on va voir comment débloquer Mortis. Morty, ça sera pas pareil.
To buy heroes from the shop, but the first one is on the house. If you choose Archer Queen as your starting hero, Barbarian King will be available in the shop for coins, and vice versa.
All heroes will be available on
Tous
update
les
day,
héros sauf
except for
Mortis.
Mortis, who you can get through
Il sera débloqué dans la piñata. Attendez.
a special Mega Piñata!
Ouais, il sera débloqué dans Mega Piñata. Donc dans la piñata rouge, je crois. Ouais, je crois dans la piñata qui sera rouge, normalement.
We're celebrating Squadbusters' first birthday with daily piñata events, starting a few days after the update drops.
You'll need to collect piñata sticks in battles to open piñatas, and each piñata will have a chance to drop Mortis. The more piñatas you open, the higher your chances to unlocking him.
All the piñata sticks you collect will also count towards a big community event where you can earn even more rewards, including hero points to upgrade Mortis or any other hero.
And don't forget to invite your friends into your piñata groups to make faster progress and celebrate our 4th anniversary together.
There are a few other changes coming with the update.
Now you don't need to stop to attack anymore.
Some mods have also been removed.
And Shelly, me, and Max are getting an ultimate evolution.
Megas are back!
Du coup, je
Not
crois
those
les
Megas.
Transformers, ils ont des meilleurs trucs.
Now, when you get 2 of the same squatty in your squad, they will fuse together. If you get a third one, they will evolve into a Mega. Both fusions and Megas will have boosted damage and health.
Oh, and speaking of health, if your hero loses
Si tu
all
meurs,
its
toute la
health,
squad est
the
éliminée.
whole squad will get busted.
Oh, that was a lot to go through.
And we're still not done. Let's talk about compensation for the removed and changed content.
For those of
Je
you who
sais
have
même
been
pas si
playing
on
Squad
m'entend
in the
bien, en
past,
fait.
first of all, thank you so much for the support.
Since we added new progression systems, rebalanced some older ones, and removed a few skins,
Oh no.
you'll receive a bunch of items based on your current progress, plus some extra hero
Ouais,
points.
et
Check the in-game news on update day.
ce que j'aime pas trop dans la mise à jour aussi, c'est que les skins ont été supprimés. Du coup, il y aura plus aucun skin. Et ils ont été remplacés par les améliorations pour les persos. Donc moi, j'aime pas franchement ça.
For all the details about what you are getting and where each item comes from, the update should be landing on Tuesday, May 13th.
We can't
le
wait for
13
you to
mai.
try all the changes and tell us what you think.
And we promise we won't make you wait so long for the next update this time.
Bon bah,
See you in
franchement, ce que j'ai pensé du Brawl Talk, non, on n'est pas sur Brawl Stars, du Squall Talk. Il y a des trucs qui me plaisent pas, il y a des trucs qui me plaisent. Franchement, cette mise à jour, moi je la trouve pas trop cool. Genre ça change complètement Squad Buster. Du coup, franchement, pour moi, c'était pas une dinguerie. Mais du coup, bon bah, je vais vous dire au revoir. C'était Player 13 et on se revoit la prochaine fois.